What if I told you you never had to leave South Florida to touch the Riviera? Welcome back to the channel. Let's get right into it. This hidden enclave in Aventura is known as Williams Island, or the Florida Riviera. Why do people love Williams Island so much? It's 80 acres of uncompromised beauty. You bring your yacht, you park it behind your home, you go to the tennis, you go to the spa, you enjoy the dining options they have. There is no other place in Aventura that's gonna give you lifestyle, security, access to the ocean, all in one place. That's why I always recommend Williams Island to my pickiest buyers. The beautiful part about Williams Island is it's got so many different living options that's gonna fit your needs. Do you wanna be in a high-rise tower? There's 7 to choose from. The 1,000 building all the way to the 7,000 building. Perhaps you like more of a mid-rise. Feels like a home, acts like a condo. We have that there too for you. You say, Adam, I want all the privacy, but I want to live in my own single family home. Williams Island has that too. You tie all that together with yacht front, dining, tennis, and a community like no other. Williams Island is my #1 choice in Aventura. So what kind of amenities can I expect from a lifestyle at Williams Island? For sure, there's so many to talk about. #1, and the one thing I always tell my clients, if you're gonna move into Williams Island, use the lifestyle that is being given to you. Tennis, marina, massage, indoor swimming, outdoor swimming, Pilates, bus service inside the island and outside the island to take you to Aventura Mall, dining, shopping. You're paying for your food. You're paying for your spa services. You're paying for your lifestyle. Go enjoy these things. Sit at the pool. Go enjoy the brunch on Sunday. Come to our multiple restaurants. Come play tennis with our award-winning coaches. Are you a big swimmer? Do you love to swim laps? Williams Island has an Olympic-sized swimming pool indoors for you to enjoy. Want to swim outside? Use your pool building or use the pool at the Island Club. Hey Adam, what about ocean access? Take one of our shuttles right to the ocean, 10 minutes away from your doorstep. So now you've bought in Williams Island, what are my neighbors gonna be like? The beautiful thing about Williams Island, it is truly a multicultural, international neighborhood. Meaning, we have second homes, we have third homes, and we have primary ownership. Rental rules there do not allow for daily or weekly rentals. 2 times a year, max. For my well-to-do snowbirds, Williams Island has it all. When it's cold up north, we're sunny down here. Access your boat, go play tennis, or enjoy everything Aventura has. Shopping, dining, community, and lifestyle. Williams Island brings it all to you in one place. The #1 question I get after will my yacht fit behind my house, Adam, is Williams Island safe for my family? Without a doubt, the resounding answer is yes. Lifestyle is a secure place for your family. Whether you're traveling, out of town, your family will be 100% secure. Playing tennis, enjoying the spa, and all the lifestyle that Williams Island has for you. So if you're not convinced that Williams Island is the place for you to call home, reach out to me, Adam Bursztein. I'll take you on a private tour. I'll show you everything Williams Island has and more.